Alright, I've got the transmission out. Over here, have the parts laid out that we're going to be using for the reverse kit. Y'all gonna have to bear with me. My battery's about dead on this camera. Don't know how long it's gonna last, so this might turn into a couple different parts. Alright, so tighten this down so the camera don't move on us. Here's the transmission. Of course, the instructions. We'll prop them up over here. I've already took the 7 bolts out so I can separate the transmission. We're going to separate it right now. Be careful just in case anything small comes out. See if we can figure out where it goes. Alright. We have it separated. Let's see if I can get this little bearing off right here. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in this half of the transmission. So I don't lose it. Set that to the side. Alright. Right here, we're going to remove the forward only gear shaft assembly, and the brake disc is going to come out. We're going to set it to the side for now. Go ahead and pull this out. This is what we have. Alright. Now we want to place the steel primary gear in, which is this one. It's steel with a metal backing on it. We want to place it in there like so. And then we want to put in the disc spring. Don't know if you can tell it or not, but it's a little wavy one. Put it right on top of it. Then we want to put in the steel reverse idler gear with the bearing already installed. We're going to put it in. It goes over the molded plastic post. Fits right in like so. Now we're going to put in the plastic idler shaft support. It's got these little cutouts that go over the little protruding parts in the transmission case. Slide it in. There it is. Alright. Now we got to locate the 2 black forward and reverse gears, which are these. We're also going to have to install some bearings in them. The little roller bearings come in the kit. These bearings only go in one way. I don't know if you can tell it or not, but there's a little lip on the inside of that to keep the bearing from going out the other side. Just put them in, push them in. There we go on that one. Let's do this one. Make sure they're in good. This one needs to be pushed in a little more. Alright. We'll see if I can get that one back out. We'll look at something. Has a flat side, contoured side. Let's see what the instructions say. We're going to put it in with the flat side out. Take the other one was in right. Good. One side has letters wrote on it, and by the instructions you want facing out and away from the gears is how you want it. You want to make sure they're pressed all the way in. That one's all the way. That one's all the way in. Alright. We got to find the forward reverse output shaft, which is this one. Get the dog slider. This one. And we also want the Teflon washers, which are these little ones. Let me turn this down a little bit. Where we can see what's going on. Alright. These are the parts that we need for this part. Alright. We're going to put the dog slider on. Like this. And the battery is dead. It's fixing to cut off. So I'm going to go ahead and end it right here and charge this thing up. We'll start back as soon as the battery charges up. See you soon.